First, we need to create a bootable USB drive. Download Tropes from the official site and also download the Windows Server 22 ISO from Microsoft. Plug in your USB at least 8 GB. Open Tropes. Under device, select your USB drive. In boot selection, choose the ISO file. Keep the partition same as GPT if you are using UEFI, most modern PC. Click Start and wait for Opus to complete the process. This will erase all data on your USB, so make sure you are backup up everything important. To boot from the USB, restart your computer and enter the boot menu. This is usually done by pressing F12, F2 escape or delete. It depends on your motherboard. Select the USB drive from the boot menu. The Windows Server setup will begin. If your PC skipped the USB boot, check your BIOS setting and enable boot from USB or change the boot priority. Install Windows Server 22. Choose your language and click Next. Click Install now. Select Windows Server 22 Standard Evolution or Data Center Evolution. Expect the license term and click Next. Choose Custom Install Windows only. Select a drive where you want to install Windows and click Next. The installation will take a few minutes. Your computer will restart automatically. Once Windows load, set your administrator password. Login using that password. Set static IP address. Right click the network icon and go to network and sharing center. Click change adapter setting. Right click your network adapter properties. Select internet protocol version IP4. Click properties. Set your IP address, subnet mask, default gateway and DNS servers manually. example IP 192.168.110, subnet 255.255.255.0, gateway 192.168.1.1, DNS 8.8.8.8. This makes sure your server always keeps the same IP, which is essential for network services. You need to change computer name. Right click on Start and choose System. Click on Rename this PC. Type the new name and restart. Giving your server proper name help manage it in a network environment. Set time zone. Right click the time in the taskbar and choose Adjust Date Time. Turn off Set Time Zone automatically. Select your current time zone from the drop down. Accurate time setting are critical for domain joining and security policies. You are now installed Windows Server 22 and complete the basic post setup configuration. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TRIX for more IT tutorial.